is Damien with Pelican Parts and Renline. Today we're going to change the engine air filter on our 986 Boxster. And you don't need any tools. You will need to refer to our other videos on putting the convertible top into service position as well as the top engine cover removal. The air box is on the driver's side of the engine compartment and just requires these two clips to be pulled away so you can pull the filter out. To remove the filter, there's this access panel. There's a spring clip on each side. So you just want to pull back and pull up on the cover at the same time. That'll release the cover. Now pull forward on the whole assembly. Take note here, you'll have to sneak the cover around the sheet metal to get it fully out. And it should come out with the filter. You can see that our air filter definitely needs to be replaced. There's a lot of debris here, which brings up a good point. It's always good to check the air box and clean it out if necessary. Sometimes leaves and other debris can be present. So it's always good to clean that out if you're going the distance and changing the filter. Today we're using this Hangst filter. You can find the link to it down below in the description. It's a good OE replacement and it will save you a couple of bucks over the OEM genuine Porsche one. To change the filter, this just simply presses in. It'll lift out of the kind of holder. Take our new Hangst filter here. You can see it's the exact same size and shape, even with the foam insert here, just as the OEM Porsche one is. Put the new one in the frame. Make sure it's seated all the way around. You can pinch these and stop the air box from sealing. There we go, ready to go back into the car. This is a good opportunity to clean the air box out, as mentioned before, so we'll just go give that a quick vacuum since there is some debris in there. Now we'll go ahead and reinstall our frame with our new filter loaded. The fit is pretty tight, so you want to make sure you seat it down all the way until these spring clips engage. One on that side. You'll hear an audible click. That's how you know you're good to go. And there we are. That wraps up our engine air filter replacement. If you want to learn more about how to work on your 986 Boxster or other Porsche models, come visit us at pelicanparts.com.